That's how I always get when you screw stuff up. I always get all the good footage of you screwing stuff up.
That window, he's gonna wake up and see an excavator in his backyard. Oh, he's gonna be excited.
Yeah, right there's fine. I want to keep my machine on it when I'm digging. I'm gonna try to snap some of these branches with this thing, so we're not hands-on forever. I might be able to snap them. So instead of you guys having a forever. So let me try that first. Whoa. He's gonna try to find some 4x4s. Okay. Alright, so here's what we got today. It's Tuesday, just after 8 o'clock. We're getting fired up. This big shrubbery in front of me is coming out, and the stumps, and we're doing an Arborvitae hedge along this black fence, almost to the shed there, just slightly short of the shed. So we got some demo to do. There's our arbs right there, the emeralds, 5-footers. We're gonna get all those things in, and we're gonna get this done. So there's no point in wasting any more time. Let's jump right in, as if I've already not stopped. Well, I think we're done for today. We're gonna come back in a couple weeks. Just don't mind this pile. We'll get it out of here eventually. Right, yeah, just no big deal.
Maybe some greasy burgers on the grill.
Yep. This will be nice now. Look at how open it is back in here.
I know, that thing looks like shit.
It just needed a little bit of trim.
There's really no trim in that piece of shit. big, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Bigger than it looked.
Well, because the drawing said remove stumps.
Yeah.
So I came in thinking, okay, it's just stumps then. He must have cut it down and taken it out of there already. This is why you can't listen to estimators.
Figured you want to try to sell me some sod after this or something.
We'll fix it. We have shovels and stuff and rakes, Eric, too, you know, you can grab. This all needs to be raked up better.
Okay.
All right, come on, Jello Brain, take a look at this.
What?
Come here. I'm gonna run and go get the other machine. Obviously, you're working on this. We gotta get this cleaned up. This is lawn. This is a bed right here. This line I just ended because this bed goes all the way to the fence, 4 foot. I've been just hooking it right on here, coming out 4 foot. 2 what spacing? Yeah, they're gonna be centered. Whatever center's 2 foot. So, we got all this to rake up still. What Eric's doing, really try to get all that cleaned up. And then this here needs to be edged. This white line. Make the paint disappear.
Yep.
Got that?
Yep.
Make the paint disappear. I know how you are. I'm gonna come back and there's gonna be paint everywhere. And then you're gonna be, there it is. You already did it. We haven't even done anything yet. All right. It ends down there. It's already marked out. So all this can be edged. Leave the side in the center. We'll come scrape that out. Right, well, time to plant these nice looking arbs. Shovel's gonna snap for show. Should have told you to grab 2 shovels. So when this one breaks in a couple. Why are you gonna break it? And you grab another one?
Yeah.
Alright, now listen. We're not planting these things flat in the ground here. They're gonna be up high. Probably like the flare level with the fence here. So we don't have to dig down to China.
This ain't the fence?
Yeah, so the top of it will be flat, and then we're going to use the soil to raise it all up.
All right.
Well, that's about 1 in the ground. I dug down about 4 inches. And it looks like I'm pretty close to being in line with the fence. Height-wise. You know what I mean? 2 foot off the fence. Center with the white line. Which is 3 foot 2.
These are nice trees, man.
You mean?
All trees are looking nice.
A couple of them are pretty dirty. But All right, Potato, get up there.
You want to scoop in?
I don't think I can.
Nope, you can't. Right now you can't.
Yes, Potato. What's up, boy? It's a potato. You guys all done?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Truck's all loaded up?
Yeah.
Potatoes are back in the compartment?
No.
And then we lost them.
You got a new water boy.
It's good for couple eggs, right?
Yeah.
Go home, Eric. See ya.
Right. See you, buddy.
You potato head, go home. Oh, I can't believe I filmed all that. Alright, that wraps up today. We got this all changed out and cleaned up. A little bit more soil work here in front of us and the rest of the yard. It's a little bit wet out here. And then we got to put some stone around the shed and clean up everything on the way out. But the plants are in, mulched, watered. They're looking pretty good now. So, we're out here for today. We'll be back to finish up sometime. See ya.